This is probably the last covered bridge in Wisconsin. It is in Cedarburg. It's a little small town. If you ever have a chance to visit Cedarburg, it's really nice. Place to go with gift shops and all that. And there is the last covered bridge. If you want to forward my video to where we're walking through it, then you don't have to watch while I walk over there. You speed up the watching of this video, that's fine. But if you want to stay watching the video, I am going to walk through the covered bridge. So covered bridges were created to protect the bridge. The fact that it's covered would protect the bridge itself from the elements. There's a sign. Well, I know you can't read the bottom part of it, so when I get up there, hopefully I'll remember to show you the bottom part of the sign. So you can pause my video and watch it if you wish. Thanks for your precious time. We're getting up to the inside of the bridge here real fast. You can walk through the covered bridge with me. There's the sign. You can pause the video to read it all. The covered bridge road goes to the side of this. And this is meant now as not a car bridge, but just a pedestrian bridge. Oops, kind of a big step there. And here it is from the other side. Please subscribe and hit the like button.